Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And as can you see here, we got a new device folder. We can rename this folder if you want. Click here on the name and enter the new name, for example the apps, and just click here to OK, and go back, and as can you see, we just successfully renamed our device folder. Also, we can move this folder here on the screen, just hold for a while and drag it. By the same way we can also create the new screens for the folder. And if you want to just remove the folder or the application, just hold for a while the app and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, or just you can hold for a while and remove all of the applications for a folder with all of the applications. But don't worry, this app they will stay here in the apps menu. They will just remove only from the home screen of our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.